engage conversationally. Don't just engage with great post or I like this. Think of what you would say to that person if you were right in front of them. If they presented this information to you on stage, what would you say to them? How would you speak to them? What questions would you have for them? Talking to them through comments is no different. Identify and point out the overall purpose of the post. You can typically see from the person's calls to action what point they're trying to get across in the post itself. This is why it's so important to read and understand the post. So once you've identified the purpose of that post, stress that purpose, stress that point for the creator. That creator wants their message to be heard. And the more you understand the message that they want people to hear, the more likely they are to go ahead and pin your comment. Comment with humor. Everybody loves to laugh. Everybody loves a little smile in their day. So if you have nothing else to say or nothing to add, comment with a little humor. Show your human side. When you make people laugh, they want to come back and check out your profile and see what you are all about.